If you're struggling with your body, if you're feeling really tight and you're just not as mobile as you'd like to be, don't worry, I've got you. I know exactly how you feel. Although I'm quite mobile in my life, I'm still 46 years old, and I do feel like life catches up with me, and I can feel myself walking around like Ken from Barbie, just all rigid. But I'm going to share with you one of my favorite sequences that I share with most of my clients, most men. The idea isn't to get flexible, and I cannot emphasize that enough. Don't chase flexibility, chase mobility, and that's very different. I just want you to feel looser and more mobile. And trust me, this sequence will get you there. I've got my stopwatch, so let's go. Start at the top of your yoga mat and just bring your feet together-ish and just relax. Have a little roll of your shoulders, maybe even kind of drop your neck to one side. Drop your head to one side to feel the stretch in the right side of your neck. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Feel the stretch down the left side. It's really nice. Come back to center and just gently tuck in your chin. You might feel that stretch at the back of the neck. And then just come back to center. Just roll your shoulders around. Try to kind of loosen up. I just want you to feel like you're oiling your joints. We're going to do a sequence called the sun salutation, and it's a really amazing sequence to stretch out the front of your body, your hips, and to generally help you feel amazing. Reach up towards the ceiling, and as you do so, I just want you to lift your breastbone, and as you breathe out of your nose, bend your knees and stick your backside out. Bring your hands down to the floor. Just there. You can see I'm not in a great big forward bend. I'm not ultra flexible. I'm just hanging here. I'm just breathing. I'm just letting gravity stretch my lower back. And you can see how my thighs act like a shelf to support my body. I'm not trying too hard here, which ironically in yoga can be your downfall. Again, just hang here, feel yourself breathing in and out of your nose, and then step back with your right foot, lift up. And you're going to thank me for this one because this stretches your psoas, which is a horribly tense muscle. I want you to squeeze your left backside and then reach up, really reach high with your breastbone. You're stretching your lats under your arms, you're stretching your left hip. And bring your hands down to the floor. Step back to the top as if you're about to do a press up. Now just drop your knees down and then just lower the rest of your body down. Look forward, and I want you to feel like a dart where your head is traveling forward. Your elbows are reaching backwards. And if you're doing this along, just have a look at me first. Head forward, elbows back. When you're ready, lift up. You can straighten your arms or you can keep your elbows bent. There's no right or wrong way. And then look down. Watch me first if you're unfamiliar and you just want to come into downward facing dog. So you're just creating an upside down V shape. Now I'm going to bend my knees as I do this because it's much nicer on my body and stretches more muscles than when you straighten your legs. So knees bent, you can see how I just push my hips back. And then lift your right leg off the ground and take a big step forward. Don't worry if it's a couple of steps. Grab your ankle, step forward, drop your back knee, lift up, same as before. Lift your breastbone, squeeze your left backside, and bring your hands down. Step forward, belly to your thighs, hands to the floor, just relax your neck. Look forward, can you see how I'm squatting? And then push the heels into the ground to come to standing. Let's go again. Breathe in through the nose, reach up, breathe out of the nose, bend your knees, stick your backside out, belly to your thighs, hands to the floor. And just breathe in and out of your nose. Step back, this time with your right foot. Drop your knee down, lift your chest up. Watch me first. Knee just behind your hip, heel in line with your knee. Lift your chest, reach up. Imagine there's a rope pulling your breastbone towards the ceiling. Squeeze your right backside and ease off. Step back as if you're about to do a press up, then lower the knees, lower your body down, look forward, head forward, elbows back. Your body's like a dart. Lift up. Breathe. Look down without moving your hands, downward facing dog. Focus on your fingertips. Look towards your feet or look down. It doesn't matter. Close your eyes. Unless you're watching me, of course. Bend your knees. Push your hips back. Can you see that? Breathe in and breathe out. When you feel ready, lift your left leg off the ground and take a big step forward. Again, if you can't take the big step forward, step, grab your ankle, bring it forward. Drop your knee, lift up again. Squeeze the right backside, bring the hands down, step forward, and just hang here for a moment. Just hang, breathe in and out of your nose. Now bend your knees more, look forward so your back is straight, and then push your feet into the ground and come to standing. And just roll your shoulders around. We're going to do a 30-second standing hold where I just want you to stand on one leg and then straighten your standing leg and just try to balance just like this. Eventually, with your torso parallel to the floor. Just breathe. You're supposed to be wobbly because you're only human. You're not a robot. Don't worry. Focus on your feet and keep looking at one fixed point the whole time. Lower down if you need to and come to standing. Let's switch sides. So that is really working and strengthening parts of your body that need to be more durable, especially as we get older. Trust me on that. So again, I'm just going to find my balance on one leg, and when I'm ready, I'm going to straighten the standing leg and come into my half moon pose. I look down and I just keep my focus at the same spot the whole time. And I feel very, very wobbly today. When you're ready, come to standing. It's very normal to have wobbly days. Nothing is linear. Breathe in and out of the nose. If you need to sigh out of your mouth, feel free. But then when you can, come back to breathing in and out of your nose. Just going to sit down for a moment. Just 30 seconds each side. Have one heel in towards your groin, the other leg extended out, and don't worry how bent your knee is. Hold onto your foot and breathe. And if your hamstring feels friendly, take the heel forward, but don't force it. Don't force it. Don't stress your shoulders and your neck for the sake of reaching. Just breathe. And from that different angle, just like this. And then just ease off. Switch sides. This time, your left heel is in towards your groin. Bend your right knee, reach for your foot, and then straighten the leg without letting go. And only go as far as you're comfortable. I can normally go further, but today, for some reason, the back of my legs feel really resistant. Breathing in and out of your nose, and then just ease off. Just going to have a little lie down. Bring your knees into your chest. Have a little rock side to side. Drop your right knee over to your left, and slowly return. Straighten your right leg, left knee over to your right, and come back. Have both feet flat to the floor. Drop both knees to your left. Drop your knees to your right. And my back just popped. Yours might too. It feels great. And then come to seated. That is 10 minutes and 26 seconds. Without all the talking, you can probably do it in a lot less time. But that is one of my many 10-minute sequences. As men who have very demanding jobs, if that's you, if you're in the trade, if you drive a taxi, for example, if you're very one-dimensional in what you do, you don't need as much yoga as you think. Do less, but do it more consistently, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Subscribe to our channel if you're new. I'm going to upload a ton more yoga sequences for men. And if you want to learn anything about all things yoga, then just check out our website, akramyoga.co.uk.